I'm taking you home, baby. Good morning, everyone. We're at HQ. Subaru's back there. We're gonna switch out the GTR for the Subaru for this week. The guys are packaging as always for Tuning Crate. My Subaru, if you guys want to hear some good ass music, check this out on SoundCloud. Oh, I fucking love this. I won't play it too much, but yes. Miss this car so much, I wanted to step outside and take some quick pictures. Subaru, the GTR, the car I started with, the dream car that I ended up getting. Dreams freaking do come true. In the house, say hi, baby girl. The Subaru was here before you were here, my love. How do you feel about that? Her car is the Tesla, which is right here, which is conveniently charging at home. I will make a full video on the Tesla if you guys really want me to. The door opened halfway because there was an obstruction in the way. What do you think? Hit the like button for Leah. Do you like? Nah. Yes, she said yes. Iris, look, we have a Subaru chick. Subi chick. You like Subarus, baby girl? She's very excited about this car. She doesn't even do this in my GTR. What's the deal? You like this? Oh, okay. Is that how you feel? Yeah? Nah, nah, nah. My neighbor's home. What's up? I'll keep the Subaru though. This is a pretty sight. Beautiful cars. Love it. Inside HQ. Show you what Edgar's working on. Graphic artist right here. Look, check this out. You guys don't realize this is for Formula Drift. Show all that good stuff over there. You guys want to see me destroy productivity real quick? Let's see. You gonna do? You gonna do? You gonna do?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Yeah? Just one piece?
No. No. I do not condone that.
You guys will try this.
That's the devil.
It is.
So.
Here you go. Crack it open.
Smells balls.
That shit looks like
smells like the same as the other ones.
Oh shit.
I don't know how balls smell. What the hell?
Because you sit down and then it just aerates up to you.
That looks exactly like the chip.
Right, just a corner.
Is it exactly the same?
No, they don't. They're lighter.
Oh, whoa! Oh shit!
These ones are good.
Yeah?
This is better.
You don't even like spicy. You're dead. You're dead. Okay, you want to try?
No, these ain't that bad. They're not that bad. Motherfucker eating another one?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, it's crazy.
They're not that bad.
They're good. It's like eating hot Cheetos.
Like there's a spice
like
that creeps in, but that's about it.
They're all dripping and everything. So we got some packages from you guys. I actually have a lot more I haven't opened, but I have a few that I just wanted to open here because they've been sitting here for a while. I actually have a lot of stuff I can give away very, very soon, including like 2 sets of wheels, center locks. What the hell is this? Who's this from? Let's see.
The lotion for you.
The box smells good. Hey, is this stuff that you like?
Oh, baby. Oh my god, isn't it baby?
Yeah, we just got a box.
no
and a big
way.
shout out to you guys. Smell good? It smells. The box smells freaking delicious.
Damn.
I mean, I gotta get my anodizer and stuff working. Oh look, here's more instructions. So big thank you. And then I think I know what this one is. This one is from. Hold on, let me double check. Oh, it is from Travis. Travis to Aaliyah. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna take this home for Aaliyah to rip open. Here's the first box we opened with all the liquid inside, or the juice. You guys call it juice? Bros. Since I'm driving a Subaru again, I should vape.
A lot. Yeah.
Big shout out, thank you, dude. Decided to read a little bit, and it says our mission is organization that cares about people and environment. Okay, so it's kind of a healthy version. USP food grade and recipes are tested. Nice. Oh, inspired by family values.
Very nice.
Very nice, how much? Okay guys, cheers. We're gonna 4-man on the line to get this done. Eliminate is going for Tuna Crate. If you guys want to join on the collab, it's with Randy and the crew. Really blessed to have them want to work with us for Tuna Crate. So we have a nice custom box. The premiums come with hoodies, different colored tees, which I'll show you guys, which are these right here. You have burgundy, cool gray. We do have some charcoal heathers, blacks, and we have a zip up hoodie, but you might get a pullover. You might get a different color, you never know. Some blinker fluid, some cleaning products. Oh, that's just a cap. But cleaning products, a bunch of other stuff that I can't tell you. You just have to look. Damn, they want me to just embarrass them. Man, you guys, man. You guys just wanna. Okay, one down. Next victim. That was close. That was close.
That was close.
What just happened? Bro, he used some dude called Cody. Dude, that's crazy. You guys kill. Go play one more. I can't do this. I quit. Oh, I got my ass kicked on that one. Damn, I got my ass kicked though. Ooh, you can't help but appreciate the beauty of this car. No, baby, I'll come back for you, don't worry. We are parking the GTR into the warehouse, but also moving the Range Rover out so the guys can work on their cars with the lift today. I love this car too. If you guys ever have an opportunity to drive one, you must, because this car is really fun. It's like super comfortable, like a super car that's like luxurious. It's really cool. This is the Range Rover. This car smells like a new car still. So you guys remember, this car actually was on a raffle, and we had the option of, or they had the option of winning this car or $18,000, and the person decided to pick $18,500. So the guys are wanting to use the lift after work, so decided to move the cars out for them so they can properly use that area. So I noticed something wrong with the Subaru. My headlights aren't turning on. My headlights aren't turning on.
Why?
I don't know, look. So, maybe a fuse is out. Okay, so we figured out something weird. So, high beam is my low beam apparently. These beams, this one, my projectors with the Tuna Crate logo is not turning on. It's only been one day, guys. One fucking day.
They're turning on.
Oh, what'd you do?
I just pushed down.
Are you...
I literally just pushed down on your car.
Jesus?
Wizard heavy.
Yo, wizard Howie!
Something right here.
Yeah, oh look, they turned on.
No, look.
Oh, they're good now.
Huh?
Well, what?
So you're telling me if you thrust my car, they work?
If he pelvic thrust the button.
Pelvic thrust it. Oh! What'd you do? Finger it really nice and tight. Oh! Oh!
You just needed to stay when you're not like.
Oh!
Hey, there you go.
So when I drive, it's gonna. Dude, my headlights. Oh, my headlights keep flickering. Look, my headlights are flickering every time I go over any bump. And my headlights are completely off now. Fudge. Hopefully there's no one to pull me over. And I have that LED strip that lights up, so I am visible to the road. I just can't see and the sun's going down. I've got to try to make it home quickly. Okay, we got back from dinner. And Aaliyah, you want to see this? You want to see this? Travis got this for you. You remember Travis? You met him at in Florida, remember? We met him at Disney Springs. You remember? Okay, let's go. Let's see what's in here. I held this for you. Yeah, I know. I know. Look, it says. Look what it says. It says Aaliyah. You see that? You wanna open it? Here, you gotta open the card first. Open this card first, right here. What does this card say? You wanna open it up? Okay, card. Pretty pattern. Happy first birthday from Florida friends Travis and Morgan. What do you think? Oh, you like it? Okay, let's see what's in here. Can you put this aside? And you can rip this open for me? Rip it open? Rip it open! Rip it open. Can't be any worse. Rip it right there. Grab this. Just rip it open. Yay! Rip it. Just like that. What is that? What is that? She likes ripping stuff. Watch. There you go. Here. Show them what you do. Show them what you do. Show them what you do. Look, see, she's trying to rip it. Look. Oh, what's this? What is this? Look, Mama. Oh, look. Oh, can you fit this? Look at this. You'll grow right into this Disney authentic original. How do I look, though? That's the real question. Thanks, Travis. Thanks, Morgan. You guys could have just given her wrapper, and she'd probably pretty much love it. There we go. I'll probably have more fun with this one. Hey, Mama, look. What do you think, love? Say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. I'm an old man in my rocking chair, so the Subaru has a headlight problem. I think it might just be a loose connector, but I think what happened was we had a front lip before, and it ripped off on the freeway. Disappeared, may have ripped a couple things out, which could be the problem to the headlights. We're gonna try to fix it tomorrow. Peace out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later. Hey, Leah. You wanna see the Subaru? You wanna see the Subaru? Subaru, where are you? You know, a good next video would be what the hell's in my car. Like, I don't remember what was left in my car because it's been so long. It'd be kind of interesting to see what the freak is in here. Watch me find like a dead body or some crazy shit.